Oh, yes. What's up, everybody? So today is a new day. So I'm actually right now trying to upload my July vlog challenge episode 1. So last night I had it made before midnight. Tried to upload it and I didn't have enough space on my phone because I'm having to edit videos on my phone right now. And I didn't have enough space because I had too much stuff on there. So I'm having to upload it right now. Basically today I'm gonna upload 2 videos to kind of make up for not videoing or posting yesterday, so to speak. So look out for that July vlog challenge episode number 1 earlier today. By the time you see this, it'll be later in the day, but go check it out if you haven't seen that already. We're going to a 4th of July thing tonight at my wife's father's church. He's a pastor at a church. They're doing fireworks, barbecue, things like that. So I'll bring you guys along with that. Maybe show some clips of the fireworks and things like that. So it's gonna be a good day. So I'm gonna bring you along, and I hope you guys are doing awesome. So hang on for the ride. Tired. I just got done spraying some weed killer on our yard, our driveway and stuff like that, and I'm sweating. So now it's time to clean out this closet in our nursery. So just updating you guys on what's going on. Sorry not filming too much, but I just sprayed this whole driveway and stuff like that. So let's get in here and do this other thing. Steaming the curtains. In here steaming the curtains and listening to music. Jamming out, aren't you, Mom? Yeah, we gotta clean out this closet. It's hot out there. Sweaty. You're doing a good job, Mom. Alright, well we got the nursery kind of, it's looking a lot better. Sorry the fan's loud right here, but look at it. Anyways, it's getting pretty good. Let me straighten you up here. There you go. Alright, now we gotta take out the trash. Let's see, grab it. Got it all. You guys are doing awesome today. We're getting some stuff done, man. This baby's coming in like 12 weeks. It could even come before that. So we're trying to make sure that everything is ready to go. I know that they say that moms have nesting, but I think dads also have nesting because I'm wanting to get everything ready for when this baby comes as well. It's such a beautiful day outside. You guys, man, look at this. I picked up my truck. Hope you guys saw some of those clips. We're getting it ready to go meet Hannah's parents at her dad's church so we can watch some fireworks, and hopefully I'll throw some of those clips in so you can see that, and I'll video some of that as well. We're gonna have some barbecue and hang out with friends and family and watch some awesome fireworks. So I'll bring you guys along. So just, there we go.